How to transfer photos and videos to iPhone to your MacBook. You can do it two different way. If you want to transfer quickly without cable, then press on select and select your image, and here you can see the icon. Press on this icon, but for that you need to go back to your MacBook and press on this icon. Then here you can see the airdrop. Just enable your airdrop and for everyone, and once you airdrop open, then here you can see your MacBook is available. Press on waiting, then your file is transferred as quick as possible. It's for photo, but for example you want to transfer video and have a lot of file. In this case it's better to use cable. So to transfer cable, insert your cable to your MacBook and the PC, iPhone as well. Now go back to your finder, and here you can see the iPhone option. If you press on iPhone, then all data are shown here. For example, you want to take backup, then you can take backup for whole data, but if you want to transfer only file, then you need to go your launchpad, and from then go to other, and from here open image capture. Then here you can see all file are available. This is the JPG, and those are video format. Select this file. If you want to multi-select, you need to use your command to multi-select. Then here you can see the download option where you can import it. I want to import it to the download option. Then here you can set download. Press on download or download all. Press on download. Then if I go back to my finder and go the download section, then here you can see file is transferred successfully. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer file to your iPhone to your MacBook. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.